welcome to the vlog. Today is the 13th of January 2021 and this area is known as Reading and it's outside London and here I am. So today is a typical English day, if I'm sounding correct with that. But today's a very typical London weather day, or England weather day. It's wet and not so pretty. So this is the state of things out here at the moment. There is a lockdown, so that is why there aren't too many people. And this is an old area known as Reading. And just to show you how old it really is. Welcome back once again. I was interrupted a while ago by a street sweeper machine, so I couldn't do much. But anyway, I'm still at the same location that I am, and all the buses are piling up. And one thing I just wanted to bring to you is the fact that the buses have various colors. Like there's one right there at the front, it's blue, and then the next one after it is gray, and then there's a green one. And each line, each color represents a certain line where specific buses head to. So if it's the green, it's going a certain way, and the grey one is heading to a certain direction, and the blue one as well. So I'm sure you might be wondering why there are so many buses here. The thing is that there is a station here. This is the terminus for the buses, and also there's a main train station heading to London City, and it's called Reading Station. So it's right ahead over there, right there. And yeah, most of the buses stop here for people, and they board the buses out of town, or they alight from the buses and head to the station to catch the trains to London. So that's something about this area as well. Welcome to London's weather. This is what it's like here most of the times. Not good at all. But then again, England is unique in its own way. So, and here comes another bus. This one is known as the leopard bus because it's kind of painted like a leopard. And there it is. That's the leopard bus. Right there. See it? It even has a leopard on it. And then there's another one. There's like other buses here are the colors of the rainbow. But anyway, this is kind of relatively new. Years ago when I was in England, it wasn't that way. But I guess, it was a long time ago, and things have changed everywhere. But yeah, there we are. Rainbows of buses, double deckers, and hopper buses. So that's one thing. If you come to London, try and get on the double decker because it's fun. Sit down at the top and make sure it is a long ride, and that way you get to see everything going on. And try and get to sit down at the front seat, that way you see everything. So yeah, that's that for now, and I'll see you in my next. So I wasn't lying when I said that there are various colors to the buses out here. That's a baby blue one, as you can see right there, and there's another green one, and I did see a red one go by earlier on, and a pink one. But anyway, that's what the buses are like out here in England, and hope you're enjoying the wet weather. So that's what's going on right now. And as you can see, these blocks are residential and commercial blocks. Most of the houses in England are like matchstick boxes. But anyway, I mean, I'm exaggerating. Most of them are very small anyway. Everything is measured to size because everybody wants to live in England, but not everyone can afford to splash out or splurge out on huge spaces. So the government has tried to make sure that certain areas are a certain size, which is not so good because you pay through your noses for everything out here. But anyway, that's how it's structured. See you in a bit. So welcome back once again, and I just wanted to show you what a typical wet day is like in England, or certain parts of England anyway, but pretty much, you know, everywhere is the same. Today is kind of different because there is a pandemic and everyone's on lockdown. Only those who are out and about, you know, working, returning from work, or important places are out and about. But anyway, this is what this place looks like right now. If you're coming to live in England, pandemic or no pandemic, this is what this place looks like most of the time. No sunshine, lots of rain, loads of double-decker buses. Around this area they come in different colors, as you can see, and pretty much this is it. This is it. I mean, like, there's a pub to go to if you're a pub crawler, and maybe, you know, the indoors, but this is England. This is England from this microcosm of an area that I'm doing this recording from. And not to say that there isn't fun to have or anything, but